Welcome back. The first thing we're going to talk about is pre-approval. Getting pre-approval. That's the very first place you start when you want to buy a house. So I'm going to dive into what it takes to get pre-approved for your VA loan. It is the critical first step on your home buying journey. My goal here is to try to help make this process as clear to you as possible, simplify it, and help you build confidence, and then also help you through every step of the way. So I guess the first thing to talk about would be why pre-approval matters. Why do your agents always ask you to get pre-approval? Why? What is this? What's the reason? Think about it like a credit card when you want to go get a credit card, right? The bank has to determine that you qualify. They're ultimately just trying to figure out if you can pay back the money they're about to give to you, the credit rather, they're about to give to you. A pre-approval process is much more than a rough estimate. It's an official proof that you're ready to buy. Think of it like a ticket to standing out in a competitive market, because sellers just care about you being able to afford the house that they are selling. So they want to be sure that if you show them proof that you've been qualified by a lender, that you can afford their house, they feel more confident to transact with you. So step one, understanding pre-approval. To get pre-approved, you first need your VA certificate of eligibility, or COE for short, Certificate of Eligibility. This document proves to the lender that you qualify for the VA benefits that you are asking for based on your service record. If you don't have your COE, don't worry about it. It's pretty straightforward. It's really easy. I can help you get it quickly, and oftentimes your lender is able to help you get it also. It's as simple as just going onto the VA website and going through all the steps to get it. Like I said, if you don't want to go through that process, I can help you do that, or your lender can also help you with that. Step two, we're going to talk about the documents that are required. After you've taken care of your certificate of eligibility, next you need to gather your financial documents. Most VA lenders will ask for your recent pay stubs, your W-2, tax returns, usually about 2 years, bank statement, and information about any outstanding debts that you might have. They often also, but they should, run credit check. Most VA lenders look for a minimum score of about 620, but don't let that bother you. There are cases where if you have lower than that, some lenders can work with you. There are also options of credit fixes, credit repairs, and so on and so forth. So consider that this loan type was built with a lot of flexibility in it for us, service members, and our families. So if you're concerned about your credit, I wouldn't worry so much about that. Like I said earlier, there are ways, alternatives, and solutions to those problems. Let's talk, which is the essence of this course. Let's talk about your situation. I'll walk you through ways to strengthen your file and put together your package for you. The third step, or step three, in the VA approval process, or rather in the pre-approval process, is partnering with the right lenders. Not all lenders truly understand the VA process, if we're being honest. Most lenders, or some lenders, don't understand or truly understand VA loans or serve military buyers well. It's a different category, truly. But I work well with local VA lenders in my area, in this local area, in the area where I'm at. And it's because I've dealt with them so many times that I'm in the best position to help you with this process. Plus, I've been through it myself, and I help a lot of service members all the time with this process. My lender partners know the ins and outs and help you unlock your maximum buying power. They guide you with my contribution through every step of the way. Choosing the right lender for this process is essential. You don't want to meet someone who's going to frustrate you through this process. My job or my role is to help take away as much as possible a lot of the stress from you. Let me do the heavy lifting and walk you through every step of the way, from the beginning all the way to the end, without you having to lift a finger. So like I said, choosing the right lender for this process ensures your pre-approval letter is respected because it is done properly and it is taken seriously, and your purchase goes smoothly. So to recap, we talked about understanding the pre-approval process, what pre-approval means, and understand what the process is, the documents and requirements. And I also talked about how important it is to partner with the right lender and how I can help you through the process. I created a mini quiz, just a task to follow along with me, just so that we're taking actionable, practical steps towards your success buying a home with your benefits. And so I have a couple of questions for you. One, do you have your COE, or your certificate of eligibility? If you don't, I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can go and get it. Or like I said, you can reach out to me and I can help you out with that. Not a problem at all. Two, Do you know your credit score? If you don't, you can pause this video. Now would be a good time for you to go find out your credit score. And then the third question for you, or third task for you, is, are all your documents up to date? If you're not sure what those are, like I said previously, please reach out to me. Let me help you. That's why I'm here. That's why I put this course together, to be able to help you through this process. You don't have to do all of this alone. Please don't do that to yourself. Now, your next step, after all of these things I just mentioned, if you are ready to take that first step towards buying a home, schedule a call with me. Click on the link below in the description, and then book a call with me, and let's talk about your situation and how we can move forward. Then I'll connect you with a trusted VA approved lender who understands military families and veterans. Together, we'll review your readiness, boost your buying power, and position your offer for success. Don't wait. So to close out this chapter, getting your pre-approval is the foundation on this journey of buying a home. But in our next lesson, we're going to build out a game plan for you and find homes that match your needs and that you can use your benefits to be able to buy. Okay? I'll see you there.